Just in case you missed this strategy before, here's a full way that you can actually utilize to promote your CPA marketing offers on this platform called Pinterest and leverage the 1.1 billion visitors that Pinterest actually gets every single month to get a lot of cool and amazing traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So stick on with me as we dive right into the strategy. So the first step which you actually want to do is to get actually a CPA marketing offer that you want to promote from any CPA marketing platform, and you make sure you're actually utilizing the United States demographic to get offers from, because that's actually the country that visits Pinterest the most. And you want to just simply scroll through, guys, and make sure you're selecting kind of like a sweepstake or giveaway offer. Now I can filter my offers based on payout, and here's a very cool sweepstake and giveaway offer. This is a giveaway offer of $4,500 cash prize. Now all my leads actually need to do is to come from the United States, utilize an Apple iOS device to submit their email address or zip code while utilizing my unique affiliate link, and they actually stand a chance of winning this particular prize right now, which is $4,500 giveaway prize. Now I'm not saying that they are actually going to win this, they just do stand a chance of winning this particular prize. And for every person that completes the offer, I'm going to get paid $1.02 right now. That's absolutely cool. So imagine about 10, 100 people or 1,000 people complete this offer. You can multiply that by this payout price, and that's what I'm going to earn. So if I do go on to copy the link right now, you want to move on to the next step, which is to create a landing page. Now you could create landing pages with platforms like Breezy Cloud, Systemy.io, and any other landing page builder site of my choice. I have a lot of tutorial videos that shows you how to create simple landing pages right now for your CPA marketing offers with various landing page builder sites. To gain access to such videos, come onto my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon and just simply go on to typing in landing. If you do type in landing and click on enter, it's going to just simply show you some cool tutorial videos I created that easily shows you how to create landing pages. So check out those videos and they could actually be very useful to you right now. Now once you've created the landing page, the next thing which you want to do right now is to just simply go onto this platform called the QR-code-generator.com. Now this is a very cool platform that you can utilize to convert any link to a QR code. So all I need to do is to paste in the link right now, and it's actually going to convert that to a QR code. Maybe I can actually select a frame, and I do prefer this frame. Once you do that, click on the download icon and download this on your device. And since we're actually going to be utilizing Pinterest right here, and if you take note of Pinterest, or if you're familiar with Pinterest, you can see that most of this content right now, or even this, were actually created with the help of artificial intelligence. So you can actually go on to creating yours with artificial intelligence so as not to delay much of your time. You can just simply utilize platforms like Leonardo AI to generate cool and amazing images. And Leonardo AI is a very cool and amazing free AI tool you could leverage for free. All you need to do is to sign up to the platform and create an account. Log into your account right here. You will be brought to a home page that looks similar to this. Now if you take a look at this, guys, almost all these images were generated with the help of this AI tool, just by giving it a simple and cool description. Now describe the image, and this particular AI brings your imagination and description to life. All you need to do right now is to come onto this section that says image generation, click on that, and you want to just simply come onto describing or pasting in the prompt that you want to just simply describe your image right here that you want to utilize. Click on generate, and it's going to generate that for you. You could also take note of the fine-tune model you're actually going to be utilizing. There are a lot of cool fine-tune models that you can utilize to actually depict the kind of image you actually want right there. So once you're done with that, as you can see right now, you can select the number of images you want. You can actually go on to seeing that you do get about 150 tokens to use each day for image generation. You can also take note, guys, that you can just simply select your aspect ratio or image dimension. Now the aspect ratio is actually on the 9:16, and I actually generated this image right here just by giving it this simple prompt which says cute teddy bear. Now you can see the image right now, of which you can just simply hover around, click on the download icon, and you can just simply head on to canva.com. And while on Canva, you want to just simply come onto this section and just simply type in the Pinterest pin. So if I do search for Pinterest right here, I'm just going to select the Pinterest pin option. So right now, as you can see, I'm brought to this particular section where I can just simply select any one of these templates right now. Now from this template, I'm just going to select one of these templates, or you can just simply create yours from blank. Now if I do click on create from blank, I'm going to be brought to this page right here, of which I can just simply go onto the upload section, click on upload files, and upload both the QR code and image I downloaded from Leonardo AI. So once that has actually been uploaded, you want to add in the image. As you can see, the image has been added. You can select the image right now, guys, and just simply insert this section, stretch right now to actually fill in. And maybe I'm just going to go on to fill in this section like this, and you can see how cool this looks like right now. So once this has actually been done, I can just simply insert that particular QR code, and I'm just going to take that to the top section and also decrease the size right now. So once this is also done, I'm going to click on text, click on the heading, and actually type in something cool like scan code to win a gift. And you can actually do see I'm just inserting that right here in this section. When that is done, you can actually just simply click on share right now. You can click on download and actually download this image on your device. Now once the image has been downloaded on your device, all you actually need to do is to head back to Pinterest, and you want to just simply click on Pinterest home feed. You want to click on this create page for ad, and you can just simply go on to inserting that particular image right here in this section. So I'm just going to drag and drop the image in this section, and as you can see how cool the image looks like. All you need to do next is to add a very cool title, a very cool description, and a destination link. And your destination link also needs to be the link to your landing page or the link to your CPA offers. And you can then go on to publishing this on this platform. And the more you do this, guys, the more you're actually going to be getting lots and lots and lots of cool traffic to your CPA offers, and you can just simply make some cool cash online. So why not just simply try this strategy? Make sure you're consistent, because this is not a get rich quick scheme, and I don't guarantee that you will make money exactly today when you're starting this strategy. So you need to actually be consistent with this, and with time you actually start getting lots and lots of cool conversion with this particular simple strategy. And I do hope the video was helpful. If you're looking for other ways to make money online, you may want to check out the first link in the description of the video to see my #1 recommendation to make money online. Or you can actually come right here to my channel, OJ Marketing, because I create videos regularly on ways to make money online. And if you like such kind of content, you can check out the videos on my channel. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all to always get alerted whenever I release some cool videos to help boost your income online. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.